Hi guys, I'm back and I have another unboxing video for you. I actually completely forgot about this. It's the Loot Crate Marvel Gears and Goods, and I can't remember what month it was, but the theme was Women of Power, and it showed up today, so I decided I would go ahead and do an unboxing. I already broke the seal on it because I wanted to make it easier to open one-handed. So I'm going to dive right in. So you open it up and it looks pretty cool so far. So there's the inside of the box. And I do believe that that's Captain Marvel. And the first thing in here is a t-shirt. With She-Hulk. Oh, it's not a t-shirt. It's the raglan style. Kind of the baseball style tee. That's pretty cool. She-Hulk. Oh, that's neat. Okay. So we have an item here. Oh, it's a bookmark. That's the wasp. You know, mine is a dog sound in the background. Oh, that looks pretty cool. And that is a bookmark. Okay. There is a Gears and Goods pen. I'm not gonna lie, I don't really know that much about this character, so it's a pretty neat looking pen though. There is a Captain Marvel lanyard. It's really neat. Some kind of poster. I'll get that in a minute. There is a Squirrel Girl book of some kind. Ooh. There is a Black Widow book. And it looks like it's a bunch of the comics and stuff. So that's really cool. A book on Black Widow. And this is the card in the box. Oh, I'm sorry, it's Take the Lead was the theme. And it does talk about the... So the poster is Captain Marvel. Wow, they really packed this sucker in here. Jesus Christ. Oh, I don't think I'm going to be able to get it on camera. That was a shame. It's really cool though. Alright, well. So, She-Hulk shirt. The Black Widow creating the Avenging Spy, Super Spy. Captain Marvel poster. Captain Marvel lanyard. Squirrel Girl sketchbook. A wasp bookmark. And then the enamel pin. So that's pretty neat. The card itself is pretty cool. Yeah. So overall, I think the box was worth what I paid for it, which I honestly can't remember now how much that was. I think it was about probably close to $40 for the box. So it's pretty neat. I would have to say probably my favorite piece was the Black Widow book. So it's really cool. Alright, well I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.